Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan X-Trail. In this video I'll show you how to find and reset tire service schedule. In the beginning, take a look at the instrument cluster and navigate through it via this panel on the steering wheel. Next, go to Settings, Maintenance, Tire, and adjust it. You can set maximum 30,000 kilometers, then you can reset it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.